Hello world, hope you all are doing well. So in this tutorial of HTML, we are going to develop a website like this. This is a basic website of a college. All this we will develop in this and our successive tutorials. All these hyperlinks, tabs, videos, documents, we will add all these images, we will add all this in our website. So let's see how it is made. So in our previous tutorial, we have seen some of the basic syntax of the HTML. This is the syntax which we have to follow in our tutorials for developing that website of a college, ABC College of Technology. So to write any code, what we need? We need an editor. So here for writing an HTML code, we need an editor which can be a notepad which everyone has or a notepad plus plus. Both will work. So we will use notepad which everyone has. So we will open that. Yeah. To write an HTML code, as I have told earlier, we need to write an opening tag which is an HTML. So HTML, we need to write this less than or greater than signs. So as we have written this, we have opened HTML, we need to close it. HTML. So I have close this thing. Inside this, everything we have to write. So let's see. Next thing should be, you tell me. Yes, it is head. Head of anything. Head of an HTML page. So we have opened it, so we need to close it also. Yes. So head refers to a heading of an HTML document or HTML page. So to write that, we need to add the title. Let's see what is the title. Yes, it is the college website. We need to write that college website. So we need to write title. We have opened it, so we need to close it also. Title. Yeah, title. So what is your title here? College website. Yeah, correct. So this is our title. Next we need to, okay, let's check it is working or not. So how to check it? So how to check it? We have to, first of all, for easy working, just create a folder anywhere in your computer. I have an education for directory, so I will create a folder there. Oh, it is taking time. No worry, learning takes time. We will create a folder here. Let's name it as a tutor. Okay. Yeah, we will open it and save over this file as what we can call it tuto1. Okay, remember this. To save any HTML page or to if we writing any page, we need to have its extension as .html. For any internet page, we need a html.html extension for saving. Like this, we for any text document we have .text, .pdf. Like this, for any web page for which was developed in HTML, which is developed in HTML, we need to have extension as .html. So name it as tut1.html, and let's find our directory. In education directory, our folder name was tut tutor. Where is it? Yeah, save it here. Okay, as we can see, it is saved. Let's check our directory. Yeah, it is saved as an internet page. Let's open it and let's find out whether it is similar to that one. Open with Chrome. Yeah, it is showing whether it will show. Yes, it is showing the title as college website. We are a bit different, but we will come to it slowly. Okay, so stay with us. Yeah, this is our page. So next thing, we have to add this thing. Our title section is done, we need to add this thing. Okay, so next part we have to write the body. We have done the heading section, then we have to write the body. Body means this section. We have to write this section. For that we need to write the body tag. We have opened the body tag and we will close it. Okay, remember friend, this is necessary. Okay, so as we can see, this is all fonts are of different size. So how to get that? So in HTML we have different fonts or different sizes. For that, for heading we have H, which gives you bold and bigger size of any text. So we will write here H1. Yet different H1 to H6. H1 is the highest one and H2 is the smallest one. So we will try like H1, highest one. So this is the H1. We will, as our other tags, we will open it and then close it. Yeah, we have opened it and we will close it also. Okay, so what we have written here, what is here? It is ABC College of Technology. So let's see what's happening. ABC College of Technology. Right. I think we have googled everything. No matters. No matter, no worry. Let's save it. Let's see what happens now in our page. This is our page. Let's refresh it. Yes, ABC College of Technology. But is something different here? Yeah, something is different. It is on moving. It is tending towards the left side, and the web page it is on the center. For that, how to make it in the center? This is the whole code which we have to write. So remember, we have to write a long sort of code. Okay, yeah, to make that part in the center we have to write another tag. It is simple English, so no need to remember. It is the center tag. Okay, as we have opened it and we will close it. Since we are writing it in heading H1 and H2, things which come between it will be shown. So we will close it. Okay, let's save it. Let's see. Yeah, that's correct. Now it's like something. So now let's see how to get this line. This line is very easy. Just write a one thing. No need to remember anything. Just simple English. What this line called? This is the horizontal line. So for HTML, we just need to work in the tags. So horizontal short form is HR. HR. So is it correct? No. In HTML, everything in the opening and closing. Yeah. So open it and close it and save it. Let's see what happens. Wow. The line has come here. So we are coming near to it. So now the things are this. We need to add these links of Facebook, but that would be the latter part. Let's see the basic ones. So we need to write this. I think the video is getting longer, so I need to move faster. So we have done up till now here. We have to write this whole code. So I have just, without wasting any time, we'll write it quickly. So yeah, to have any image, suppose we have to write this image, we have to put this image in any document, we need a part called image source in our document. For that to be included in the body section, so without wasting any time, I will just copy that code and okay, I will just copy and paste it, and you people will not understand. So I will write a code for it. So for image, you think the short form should be img. So open it, img. Okay, image source from where you are taking the image. There should be some source. So src. Okay, I will write and okay like this, image source. Okay, so I have put my image at this link, at this folder in my document, that is web designing html images.jpg. So I will just copy this one, okay. Let's see now what happens if I close here. I close it here. Keep it like this only. Let's see. Yeah, image has come, but it is not coming in the center. So what to do? In HTML, we have another section. As we have different sections in an HTML page or divisions, we can have a different divisions in an HTML or HTML page. So division for short form should be division. Image is a different division, so we will make it different. area. So division short form should be div. Okay, as we have opened it, image should be in a particular division, other division. So we need to close the division also. So div closing. So division, what should be the role of the division? The division should make a part of a web page that is separate from other things. It should be at the top of the page, it should be bottom, left or right or the center. So as we can see here in this page, the image is at the center. So for that we need to make it at center. Now our one is at the that side, so we make it in center. For that we need to align it to the center. Align means the left, top, right, bottom, center. So we will align it. This is simple, nothing different. Align center. Okay, just this thing is shown. We make this division to appear in the web page in the center. Okay, so let's save it. Let's see what appears. Yes, the division, this particular division is come in the center. So whatever we will write in between this will come in the center like this. Okay, it will come in the center. Sorry. Let's try it. Yeah. Okay. It has come in the center. Let's remove that part. Okay. So we are coming near to you. Next important thing. Next thing which is here is this one. This moving object. This is the marquee. We call it marquee. So how to write this marquee? For that we need a marquee tag. Everything is simple, just English words. Marquee tag. For that we have a simple tag called marquee. This is this one. I will write for you. Everything should be between the body because we are writing. We need things to be appeared on the page, so it should be under the marquee. No, sorry, in the body. So for writing a moving object or moving text, we need to write a tag called marquee. So marquee. Okay, we will close it. As we opened it, we need to close it again. So everything which will write here will come as a moving text. So what we have written here, what is there in ABC College of Technology, world's best college. So we will just copy it. So we don't need to waste time. So we will just copy it and paste it. Paste. Let's see what happens. Let's remove that copy paste part. Okay, sorry. Cut it. And we will save it. Let's see what happens. It is moving, but something is looking different. It is not showing a yellow color. Yeah, and it is not bold. So how to do that? For that we need to add a background color. Okay, we need to add a background color. Here the background color is yellow. So shortcut form of background could be BG background color. Background color. Here the color is yellow. YELLOW. Okay, yellow. And the text was in bold. So we want text to be in bold. So it is bold. We add the BG color in marquee because that moving line is called marquee. So we need the color of marquee to be yellow. So we write that in the marquee tag, and we need the text to be bold. So we write it in the bold here. So as we have written here, bold. Open the bold. We need to close the bold also. Like this. Okay. So let's see what it shows. Let's save it. Let's save it. Let's, yeah, it is looking good now. We are coming near to you. Okay. Okay, if we write a blue color here, see what's happened, and I here, I means italic. Okay, what happened then? Let's see. We have saved it. Okay, everything turns blue and the text is become italic now. Okay, so nothing so difficult, just we need to know some basic things and everything will come very easily. Okay, so then what are the remaining parts now? What is the difference? We need some text to be written over here. We need some this text above the our image. So how to do that? So this is something looking like a paragraph, small sentence. If we write in long, it will become a paragraph. So for that, we will add something like this in our page. We need it above the image. So as I have told, that looks like a paragraph. So what should be the short form of paragraph? It should be P. Yeah. So in the HTML, everything should come under the brackets like opening and closing. It should be a tag. So P is a paragraph, and as we have opened it, we need to close it also. So everything which we write here, it will come as a paragraph. So what is written here? College information. College is a very good top college in the world. Let's copy it. Don't waste time. Let's copy. Yeah, let's paste it here. Okay, just paste it. Let's see what happens. Let's see. I have saved it and refresh it. Yes, it appears here, but it is not in the center and it is looking different. This is italic and this one is not italic. Yeah, so let's make it italic and it's colorful. Then how to make it? We need this particular part to be italic. So as we have seen, like this, it is this particular part is bold. So we need that particular part to be italic. I, 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 I. Okay, and we can make it bold also. B, B. Oh, sorry, it need to be closed. And B, B. Okay. Okay. Let's save it. And that part should be in the center also. Yeah. So we will create another partition or division here. Div. Yeah. This is the other part, and we have opened the division. It is here. It should be closed. As it was in center, we will align it in the center. Yeah. Let's have give it. Okay. Now it should be in the center. Let's save it. Let's see what happens. Yes, it looks something closer to it now. Okay. Yeah, isn't it? It has some blue color. So add color to that text college information. How to do that? How to do that? So this is a text. So we will add color to the text. So we don't need the whole thing to be blue color. If we write that the whole paragraph, see text, if we write that, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Remember these tags, these are simple ones. What happens? Nothing has happened. Okay. So we need a style thing, span, called span. To add a particular color within a particular paragraph for a small area, we just need a tag called span. 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 Span refers to a particular area. So as we have opened this span, we need to close this span also. So span. These are the things which are the properties of this span. The property of this span is the color, which is blue. So it gives the blue color to this particular span. This particular span, it will give the blue color. The college information will be turned blue and rest will remain as it is. So let's see, as we have saved it. Yes, it has colored blue. So till now friend, it is looking great and it is similar to this. Okay. So what are the parts remaining now? we need these tags, these elements in our page. Home, contact, about, faculty, Facebook, Google, Twitter, video tour, college documents. So these are the elements which we need right now. So how to add these elements? For that, we have done up till now here. Yeah. Yeah. For make tutorial very quick and fast, I will just copy and paste here, and we are now looking toward this part Facebook, Google and Twitter part. We will add this part in the our page. So how to do that? First we need to create a partition. As we have seen, it is above our image and the college information paragraph, and below the horizontal line. So where is the horizontal line? Yeah, here. So we need to add another division here, div. Open it. We have opened it, and we will close it. Div. We will close it here. Okay. As we have seen, this part is towards the right side of the page, so we will write align right. Align right, we will align it towards right, as that the image was in aligned center. It is showing center in the set. It is showing at the center of the page, and we want that Facebook and social part to be at this aligned center. So we have right aligned center. Oh, sorry, aligned right. So as these are the images of the Facebook, Google and Twitter, we will add the image source part as we have done in the earlier part. So we will do like, we will add for the Facebook part, as we have done here, image source part is here. The image source for this one is here. Okay, right now just leave this one, no need to bother about that. We'll just close it. Okay, I'm just copying and pasting it to make the tutorial quick. Okay, another one is for the other one is for the Twitter. Let's save it and let's have a closing here. Let's save it and let's see what happens now. Okay. Oh my god, what has happened? The images are bigger as we have expected. The reason behind that is we need to give the sizes of this particular images according to our web page. So for that we need to add the height and width for the images. So for Facebook one, so let's add width and height to be 4% and 5% of the original one. Let's see what happens. Right now the Facebook is biggest. Let's refresh it. Now it turned out to be smaller one. Like this, do it for all others. Add some width and height to the image. We are just copying and pasting to make the video quicker. Otherwise it will take a longer time and we will sleep in between. Okay, let's save it and let's see what happens to these bigger ones. Now they are in the regular size. Okay, let's remove the part here. Okay. Now we are coming closer to our intended website page, which we are taken to make it. So the remaining part is this part and this part. These are the hyperlinks. Okay, right now in this tutorial we are not going to give any hyperlink. We are just going to make a front end page. Okay, so let's make it. Move towards the remaining part. So as we can see, the home, contact, about and faculty section is below the Facebook section, that is here, and above the college information section. So we need to create another division here. For that I just paste that copied part. So where is our below the Facebook section and above the college info. So this is the area we need to add the things. So div division is open and division is closed. Okay, and we need to align that part also in the center. So align it in the center. Align it in the center. Okay, that part will be visible in the center. So we have made that part to be visible at the center. So let's see what things we need to add. We need to add home, contact, about and faculty. So we will write that part here. First part is the in between that division that appears in the center. Home. Okay, give some space. This part. Home. Contact. I think it is contact there. Yeah, contact. Next is about. Another one is the faculty. So that part is done. Now other part is which is below that image part. So let's make it. We need to add another division section, so we will just copy it. We need it in the center also, so we will where the division section was. Division section means below the image, our image. I think this is our image. Yeah, about the marking. Yes. So there it is written. Video tool and college document. So we will write that. Video and college document. Yes, I think that should make our part clear. Yes, it is looking somewhat closer to it now. But we need to make some modifications here. We need to add some spacing between them, and we have not underlined this part. So for underlining it, we need to add some underline tag, as we have add the bold tag here, B for bold, I for italic, and what should be for the underline? Let's guess. Tell me. Yes, you are correct. It should be U. It should be U. As we open the U, we will close the U. Yes, like this. Let's save it and let's see what happens. Yes, it is underlined. We need to add now. We need to add some spacings. For spacing, need some break. We need some break between these things. Here we need break. Here we need some break. Break between these things. Image, text, break between this image and this text. So what should be term for the break? So break, what should be the short form for the break? Let's call it BR. Will it correct? Will it be correct? Let's see. Does it make any sense? Let's try it. This is our part. Now it will look like this, and let's see now magic. Yes, something has happened here. The line has moved down. Now let's add some more breaks between this and this. We'll add a break here. We'll add a break here. No need to close the break. Let's see magic. Yes, we are done. Let's see if we add more breaks, then what happens. Yeah, add more break. What will happen then? Yes, this. Let's see if something happens or not. Yes, something has happened. So it looks like now more to our needed part. Yes. So this image is bit expanded and this is contracted. So as we have added some width and height, we need to do that. We need also need to do some width and height part here. So what we have, and the width and height we will add here. Yes, we'll add and width and height to this image. Yes, here 30% of that image, original image. Where it is. Yes, now it is expanded. Now you would be wondering why it's look bit different. These parts are not underlined. Why? This is because these are the hyperlinks which we will add in the next chapter. Due to the hyperlinks, these parts are underlined. If we, as you can see, if we click here, it will show the next part. If you're doing here, it is not doing anything, just a page is looking. So let's make it more. We will see that part in the next chapter. So let's make it more closer to our required one. Add some break, one more break is added. Let's save it. Now let's see the magic. Oops, sorry, we have added at wrong place. I think so. This break should be added. Here. Okay, I think so. This should be the correct. We have saved it, and let's see the magic. Yes, now this looks a bit closer to it. I think very closer to it. So hopefully you enjoyed, friend, and we will see lot more things in the next chapter, next tutorial. We can add some video in our website. We can add forms. We can add some notations. We can add a table, and we can add documents like this. Yeah, a PDF document. So all these things we will cover in the next chapter. All these are called hyperlinks. All this we will cover in a next chapter. Till now, this is the part we have done. Hopefully you have enjoyed. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day.